In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 35 amazing and creative uses for mason jars. So I take credit for none of these ideas. They are all other people's ideas that I've just compiled into this one video to show you guys. In the video description, I'll have links to some of the tutorials for these ideas. These jars are very cheap. You can find them at most retailers online and in person at various grocery stores, places like Walmart. They come in many different sizes and shapes, and some of the ideas I'm going to show you even utilize the little metal caps to these jars. So if you have any ideas that you think I left out, leave them in the comments down below. And if you want to see more great DIY videos, hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video.